Red Magic just dropped the 10 Air, a gaming beast with a 6.9mm frame and a $649 price tag. I'll show you why this phone's 144Hz display and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 are blowing up the internet. Let's dive in. Ultra thin, ultra powerful, and budget friendly. This is the gaming phone of 2025. Want to dominate your games? Stick with me. The Red Magic 10 Air rocks a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it crushes games like Genshin Impact. With 12GB to 16GB RAM and up to 512GB storage, it's a steal starting at $649. Check out the 520Hz shoulder triggers, perfect for FPS and MOBA precision. The X-Gravity Gaming Center lets you map controls, track gacha pulls, and screencast to bigger screens. Plus, the Red Core R3 chip boosts graphics and keeps lag at bay for seamless 120 frame per second gaming. The 9-layer IceX cooling with liquid metal keeps temperatures low, hitting just 45 degrees Celsius after an hour of intense gaming. The 6000 mAh battery lasts up to 28 hours, and 80-watt fast charging gets you back in the game in under 30 minutes. Dual 50MP rear cameras and a 16MP under-display selfie cam lets you snap crisp shots, although selfies are not its strongest suit. Share your gameplay clips via the Game Mode's instant recording feature, perfect for TikTok or YouTube. Google Gemini AI adds smart editing flair. Grab the Red Magic 10 Air, available in 3 colors, but the orange variant is exclusive to the 16GB 512GB model for $602 in some regions. Here's a pro tip. Use the customizable RGB lights to match your setup. Pair with the Red Magic Supercharged Gamepad for console vibes. Check network bands for 5G compatibility, and tweak game mode settings for max FPS in your favorite titles. The Red Magic 10 Air is your ticket to elite gaming on a budget. Go order yours and dominate the leaderboards. Did you love this guide? Smash that like button and subscribe for more tech updates.